Morning, baby.
I hop out the car, leave the motor running. Why you always talking like you know something? Why you always talking, gonna show 'em something?
Which is why in today's video, I'm going to take all of the lessons that I've learned the hard way personally. I'm going to talk about the 2 strategies that myself and all other successful property investors follow.
$10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Orange label, I might pop me too. I was getting money, but they didn't have a clue. Caught the Porsche coming powder blue. Hit the top, we don't need the roof. Fools know we made the rules. I'm with the club, posted by the marina. Eating fruits, looking at views that you never could dream of. Getting served all this paper, I'm not talking subpoena.
Team 2 winners of the Olympics. Yeah, boy, let's go.
I got hits on hits, this like my bat flip. Mind on my money, low when my palm itch. Took the slow lane cruising, now look we all rich. I hop out the car, leave the motor running. Why you always talking like you know something? Why you always talking, gonna show 'em something?
We just want to help them have a great time, but have a bloody good time while we're doing it as well.
$10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Could never take a hand out. New cars, bigger house, everything was planned out. 2020 hindsight, noticing how I panned out. Never did too much, never wanted to stand out. Spent plenty in my 20s, no place empty. God sent me, keep it thorough, this not trendy. Don't tempt me, on the edge and I'm sick. See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit like Tyson. I am who I am. Never.
So I don't want these goals to be like crazy pressure, but I want us to sort of know where we're all trying to head as a team, and also just it's fun.
Why you always talking like you know something? Why you always talking, gonna show 'em something? No stunt double, I do my own stunt. Could take a year, I'll still have